into it. I'll be solving this question. Rectangle and circle. And the question reads, to take three numbers, the width, height, radius, so width, height of rectangle, radius of circle, and return true if rectangle can fit inside a circle. Some info here. So this is a signal for rectangle. An example was 8 and 6. And it equals to the radius of the circle. So it works. And there's returning true or false. And then the three rows. We're figuring out how to use these formulas by using the math.square root. And this one is just multiplying by itself. The first part is a double called the rectangle diameter. And here is equal to math.square root. Inside of here, we have the width times itself, and then we're adding the height times itself for the rectangle diameter. And now for the circle, it's going to be equal to 2 times radius. So now we've met both of these conditions for the formulas. And now we have to check to see if the rectangle will fit inside of the circle. As for ease, put a return less or equal. The rectangle diameter is less or equal to the circle radius. Circle diameter, and it works. They're all equal.